It's 1:30 in the morning in Vidin, northern Bulgaria. And Captain Zvetan Zviatkov is approaching the end of a long voyage on one of Europe's most mythical rivers, the Danube. 6 days earlier, he and the crew of his ship, the Han Asparuh, left southern Germany with a cargo of cars and heavy machinery, much of it bound for customers in the Middle East. But despite the late nights and long stretches away from home, Captain Zviatkov can't imagine doing any other job.
Ми като детска мечта започна всичко. На шега влезах в морско училище, завърших го и избрах тази линия и този тип кораби, защото смятам, че са най-добрите български кораби.
After a short night, the crew of the Han Asparuh begin unloading their cargo. Soon the ship will be reloaded with more freight and heading north on its return journey to Germany. Inland waterways offer a serious and environmentally sound alternative to road transport in many situations. Yet today, Europe's network of 37,000 kilometers of navigable rivers and canals is seriously underused. Here in Bulgaria, for example, long-distance freight barges are still a relatively rare sight on the Danube. Some experts say that just 15% of the river's freight transporting capacity is used today. The company that operates Captain Zviatkov's boat is currently one of the very few firms offering regular services this far south on the river.
Реката в този отсек има огромен потенциал за развитие и всъщност една помощ от всякъде, от всички страни би била необходимия лост за началото на услуги в този район, които със сигурност ще увеличат и потенциала, използваемостта на реката като метод за транспорт.
There is serious potential for developing Europe's inland waterways sector. Industry analysts say that with the right support, the amount of freight transported on canals and rivers throughout the European Union could double. The EU's Marco Polo program is keen to encourage this process as part of its efforts to ensure more freight in Europe is shifted away from roads. As part of this strategy, the Marco Polo program has provided assistance for the Bulgarian river service. Over 3 years, the River Link hopes to remove 61,000 trucks from roads in the Balkan region.
Помогна ни като даде една сигурност за развитието на услугата чрез увеличаване на капацитета, който може да предложим на клиентите ни. Това ни позволи да привлечем по-големи клиенти и всъщност да ги обслужваме качествено.
Here in Vidin, it's clear that an expanded inland waterways sector would be good news for the local economy and local jobs.
Речният транспорт е от изключително значение за икономиката на град Видин, защото имаме икономика, която би могла да се развива на база на речния транспорт, т.е. нейната специфика може да е такава, че да бъде натоварена, да бъде превозвана с корабите, които имаме в непосредствена близост реката Едограда.
Education also has a key role to play in developing Europe's waterways. Students who are today training to work in the logistics industry must be aware that barges and riverboats are a credible option. Here in Vienna, further north on the Danube, this company has used Marco Polo funding to help develop an e-learning program designed to help the next generation of logistics managers understand the advantages of river and canal transport.
Wenn wir im Binnenschifffahrtssektor nicht auf E-Learning umsteigen, dann hinken wir diesen anderen Sektoren, diesen anderen Bildungsbereich hinterher. Und der Vorteil von E-Learning ist, dass man unabhängig von Zeit, Ort und Platz, egal wo man ist, man kann jederzeit lernen. Und das ist einerseits für Studenten von Vorteil, die teilweise, jeder hat Computer mit Internet zu Hause, die ständig im Internet surfen. Andererseits ist es auch für die Praktiker, die zum Beispiel am Schiff unterwegs sind, von Vorteil, weil sie können auf ihrem Schiff jederzeit lernen.
The system has already developed beyond the trial stage and is being used to help train technical university students in Austria.
Die Zukunft, die Jugend sind zu einem wachsenden Bestandteil Digital Natives und die brauchen auch andere Lehr- und Lernformen und andere Formen des Lernens. Und daher ist es ganz wichtig, dass wir ein Tool mit dem INES zur Verfügung haben, das den Digital Natives in ihrer Art zu lernen, in seiner Art Wissen zugänglich zu machen, besonders unterstützt.
Developing inland waterway transport in Europe also involves a number of technical challenges. Here in Magdeburg in eastern Germany, transport companies must cope with the fact that water levels on the Elbe can be very low in summer months. This means very large barges can't use the river. In the past, this meant potential clients in cities upstream from Magdeburg, in particular Dresden in Germany and Decin and Lovosice in the Czech Republic, often sent cargo to northern Europe by road. But with help from Marco Polo, this company has developed a service that allows goods to be transferred quickly from small boats that can use the Elbe to larger ones, which then continue their journey northwards from Magdeburg using the deep-water Mittelland Canal. The new combined river and canal service has clear ecological advantages over the old road route.
Ja, der ökologische Aspekt in unserem Projekt besteht in der Nutzung des Binnenschiffs. Das ist emissionsarm. Wir verlagern von der Straße auf das Schiff. Und wir nutzen einen Verkehrsweg, der vorhanden ist. Das ist ein natürlicher Fluss mit großen Kapazitätsreserven, sodass wir also auch hier Wachstum realisieren können.
And customers certainly seem keen to take advantage of the green credibility that the service can offer them.
Von Magdeburg nach Valenciennes über die Kanäle mit großen Schiffen ist es unkompliziert möglich, aber das Problem ist der Transport von Dresden nach Magdeburg. Bisher, in den letzten Jahren, wurde das hauptsächlich über LKWs abgewickelt. Aber als dann die Möglichkeit sich auftat, das Ganze mit Schiff zu bewerkstelligen, war das natürlich für uns ein großer Qualitätssprung, da natürlich eine Ladung auf diesem Schiff 20 LKWs ersetzt.
It is not Marco Polo's aim to single-handedly revitalize Europe's inland waterways sector. But by supporting innovative projects that show what is possible, it is playing an important role in helping to chart the way forward for Captain Sviatkov and his colleagues.